Okay, guys, I'm back. Really, I looked at the comparison on that board in this case. The only thing I got to do is move one standout. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put this board in here. I got to change out the I/O plate. The socket that I needed was a 5 millimeter. So I'll get this started, and then I'll tighten it down, make sure they're all tight. That one's tight. That one's tight. That one I don't need. I need this. The rest of them I don't need. So now we get to knock out this I/O shield. That's the old one. I need this one because this one's applicable to my board. My other computer in the bedroom, my main computer, don't even have an I/O shield. Okay, now time to put all the screws in. Not the right screw. Shit. Don't tell me I gotta have fine thread screws to this case. If I do, I'm screwed. Looks like I'm gonna have to. Fuck. It's all fine thread. Damn it. Well, guys, I gotta go find some fine threaded screws, so I'll be right back.